Okay, let us have a look. MacBook Air. Yeah, so the notes say removed all connections from logic board, no power, input output cable, LCA is slightly tripped, may have liquid damage, cannot see obvious signs of liquid damage and no other LCI tripped, replaced IO board, flex, no power, logic board repair needed. So let's have a look. Let's connect our light. We have light, no boot, no display, no chime.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so A1466. Let's see if this one's an easy fix. Screen missing. Nice. Okay, so open sesame. Let's have a look. So nothing unusual here. No sign of liquid. Again, no fan spin. Say 3.3, 8.6, and of course PP3V42 should be there because we're getting green light on the charger, so that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna have to take out this board and inspect it. Because without inspecting the board we cannot know. So if there's definitely some obvious sign of corrosion or something blown, that gives us all the clues. Okay, so let's take out the board. Just to one side. I'll quickly run it under thermals. Okay, taking out the board. Cable. Wi-Fi module. Make sure we disconnect the trackpad and keyboard. Okay. Take a little bit on each side for this. That's for the webcam. Under here, 2 screws, one on this side, one on that side, the top side. That's for the fan, and for the IO board. Left speaker. This, I believe, is for mic. Done. don't forget under here there will be yes, so there's another screw under here. So if you don't loosen these, this is very hard to get out this screw. There's a chance you can tear into the Wi-Fi cable. So just look properly, take that out, and this should lift up nicely. Okay, so come off, pull that out gently, and voila, looks clean. So it's always a good idea to check on the back here, because sometimes if there's a burn mark, you can see it on this part, so that'll give you a clue which area to look. So we're going to take out the I/O board, the DC MagSafe. So let's put this aside. So let's connect this back up. Now that we've taken it out, so now we've got green light. Don't feel for anything unusually hot. There's a bit of heat on this side. Anyways, we'll inspect on the microscope. Let's have a look, see if there's anything unusual. Okay. Fluff. Fluff. So as you can see, there's some fluff around here, especially on this chip, diode I think it is, underneath, and this one, which I believe is U5110 or something, and that is part of PMSLP S4L. Let's measure PMSLP S4. That should be from the middle pin. Okay. PMSLP. 3.3. It's present. Here, it's present, 3.3. Wow, magically worked itself. Now we've got fan spin. So it looks like the corrosion was preventing it from getting PMSLP S4. So it looks like it's running now. As we weren't getting fan spin before, so So that's why some people, they, you know, brush with alcohol and they go, oh wow, it fixes boards. It doesn't fix the board, because that corrosion in time will grow and it will screw it beyond repair. So let's get it into the machine to see if we can actually get it going. Let's see it boot with display. That was a terrible way to put that in. It was probably a lazy way, but nevertheless, we want to see if we can get this bad boy to boot. Okay. There. Display. Yeah, fan spin, try. So you should see a folder icon come up now. Anytime now. There you have it, that's a booting machine. We can try with the SSD as well. So, without SSD the folder icon comes up, so we know it's working, but just for demonstration. So I won't actually just seal this unit up. I'll go back and I will still remove those chips, clean up the pads, reapply solder, and the diode as well, that had a bit of crap on it as well. So that way you eliminate any chance of these coming back, because we want to give warranty to our customers. So as you can see, it's a booting system. Okay, so that's ready. So that's a working machine now. So thank you for watching, guys.